In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts in Google Docs. Imagine you're working on a Google Docs document. Maybe it's an important report for work, an article, or even just your personal notes. At some point you decide that the default font just isn't cutting it. You want your document to have a bit more personality, or perhaps you need to adhere to specific formatting guidelines for a report. Whatever the reason, Google Docs offers an easy and efficient way to customize the font style to your liking. First things first, head over to Google Docs. This might seem basic, but you'd be surprised how often people overlook simple steps. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll need to do that. Once you're in Google Docs, either open an existing document or start a new one from scratch. Next up, you'll need to select the text you want to change. This could be a single word, a sentence, or entire paragraphs. Simply click and drag your mouse over the text to highlight it. If you're looking to change the font for the whole document, a quick shortcut is to press Ctrl+A or CMD+A on a Mac to select all the text in your document. Now with your text highlighted, look towards the toolbar at the top of the page. You're looking for the font drop-down menu. It's usually located right next to the font size option and should display the current font name. This is where the magic of customization begins. Clicking on that font menu pops open a list of font styles available. Google Docs comes with a variety of pre-installed fonts, from professional choices like Arial and Times New Roman to more creative fonts like Merriweather and Pacifico. Simply scroll through this list and click on the font that catches your eye. Once you click on a font, the change is immediate. Your selected text will now be displayed in the new font. But what if the perfect font you have in mind isn't there? Google Docs has got you covered. At the very top of the font list, there's an option that says More Fonts. Clicking on it opens up a whole new world of font possibilities. This brings up a dialog box showcasing a multitude of fonts. You can narrow down your choices by filtering through font families, types, and even checking out popular or trending font options. Once you've found your font, click on it, then hit OK at the bottom of the box. This adds the font to your fonts list, making it easier to select in the future. And there you have it. Your document now has a fresh look, with a new font that suits your style or the guidelines you're following. Play around with different fonts to see which ones fit your document best. Remember, some fonts work better for headers, while others are more suited for body text. Experimenting is key. A tip before we wrap up: changing fonts can affect the readability and overall appearance of your document. Always ensure that the font you choose is appropriate for your audience and the purpose of your document. For professional documents, it's best to stick with classic, easy-to-read fonts. But if you're working on something more personal or creative, feel free to explore and have fun with the plethora of font options available in Google Docs. Changing fonts in Google Docs is just the beginning of customizing your documents to better reflect your personal style or meeting specific needs. Whether it's for professional reports, academic papers, or personal projects, mastering these simple steps can significantly enhance the presentation and impact of your work. That's all for today's tutorial on how to change fonts in Google Docs. A seemingly small change like altering the font can make a big difference in the look and feel of your document. So go ahead and give your documents that personal touch or the professional polish they need.